Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix could not sign in unable to validate account. For example, if you try to log in into your Apple ID and after a few seconds of loading you see that error could not sign in unable to validate account. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And here what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply turn off the airplane mode after some seconds. And here what you have to do, you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi is working properly, and you can also restart your Wi-Fi router so that nothing can be uh, done from the Wi-Fi internet connection error. So here what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to click on that, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network settings, and after resetting all of your network setting, you can also reset your location and privacy. And after that you have to simply make sure that your problem has been solved. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do next is you have to simply restart your iPhone. And if it is not restarting, then you have to simply force restart your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, what you have to do, you have to again go to settings, and after that you have to find general. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your settings. And after resetting all of your settings, you have to simply try again to log in into your Apple ID, and hope this time will this error will not occur. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go for the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. And you can also check Apple discussion, where you can simply find the solution of problems like that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.